राजेश के।
हाँ, राजेश को उसके अकाउंट में भेजे होते थे वो, उसको कुछ
अकाउंट, राजेश का अकाउंट, बैंक अकाउंट।
हाँ, उसके बैंक अकाउंट में।
But if you have UPI or Google Pay, I can just send it like that.
उसका
Even बैंक अकाउंट इज वेरी इजी।
उसका अपना बैंक अकाउंट है ना, उसमें उसी में जाना चाहिए।
नेट ट्रांसफर, इट्स नॉट डिलीट।
हाँ हाँ।
But it's not easy.
हाँ हाँ।
Very tough.
Yes, yes, it's not easy. ये तो है ही। But one has to, you know, that there is no other
What is
way.
not easy?
A lot of, she's explaining about
Life.
her friends and their
Oh, yeah,
husbands
it
are
is
not
difficult.
feeling, they're not keeping well,
बिल्कुल।
right?
And we have, I believe there were about 3, 4, 5, about 6 couples we had it, you know, good. So every time, you know, we used to get down, get to go to Calma. Yes,
You can meet at the club.
in the club. So they all used to meet together. So it was very, very good, you know. And any function, getting together and all that.
Yeah.
So, this is not in anybody's hand. Actually.
No, nothing.
There's nothing is in your hand.
No,
I wish if
every
Papa
day
had
we just
stayed,
need
you
to
know,
feel
for
thankful.
another 5 years, if he had stayed, it would have been good. So, but it's nothing in your hand. So whatever it is. But I remember that day, night time only. He was saying, "You go to sleep." I said, "You go to sleep." Then we were talking also and all that. He said, "You must be feeling tired and all." I said, "I'm not feeling tired. What is there to try? The nurse is there and the other woman also is there. So there is nothing." Then I started doing prayer and started singing sort of loudly. So that then he was very happy.
Which is that night.
That before he passed away in the morning. So I then, you know, I started by Guruji ka jo paath karti hu, I just did that. So it was, and I was, you know, doing like this and this to him, and he was saying, he says, "It's very comfortable, it's very comfortable." I said, "Yes, I'm also feeling so comfortable." No. So he also tried to, you know, speak also. Like I said, "Say why Guruji, why Guruji." He did once or twice he did. He said, "I'm tired." I said, "ठीक है, कोई बात नहीं, enough, you know, this is it." But then I had this feeling that this something is really.
Really?
I said, "It's going to be." That's why that night I called Sangeeta. At night I called Sangeeta. I said, "Papa is not feeling well at all, you know." He's talking. And as it happened, Sangeeta said, "ठीक है, I'm first early morning flight."
First flight she came, yeah.
First flight I'll take and I'll be there. And then, you know, mornings the doctor was there. Asha came. Asha, I also called her husband also came. She says, "So," and Papa was, looking at everybody, and you know, looking like this and this. So I knew he's looking for Sangeeta. I knew that. I said, so itne mein, while we were sitting, and then I talked. Then he said, I said, you just relax, you will feel okay. Just relax. So in the meantime, Sangeeta came, you know, and then suddenly he arrived. I said, "No, this is what you were looking for. She's here." Okay, she's here. Because he was feeling, I am by myself. You know, there's nobody else there. This is what he. So I said it very subtle. And then he saw her and all, and then he closed his eyes and he just peacefully, he just
Passed away. So how long after she came he passed away?
just, I think, maybe 10 minutes.
Yeah? Wow.
He was waiting for her. And then Asha and Aurobindo and all, they had also come. They were all standing there. Then it happened, all the things were, yeah. So
Hard.
somebody was asking me how. Then I went up, in my Thakur Gar, my house, that room where I do my prayer.
Mhm.
That is on the terrace.
Yeah, I know.
So I always used to keep.
But what Sangeeta tells me, he was always concerned about you.
He was.
Even I say, he didn't care about his own thing. He said,
No.
what will happen to her if
Yes,
I'm not
yes,
there?
yes.
Hmm?
This was it. So I said, "Dekho, about why are you going?" One day before also they were saying, "I'm so worried about you. You will be left alone." And I said, "Why will I be? You will be here, so both of us will be there. So don't worry, nothing will happen. If it happens, it happens. You just get it." So he was, like this, and I went up, वहाँ पर गंगा जल रखा हुआ है in the fire. So I quickly brought that Ganga Jal, and I just put it in this mouth. And it was just.
But he was, the thing what I remember about him, he was very, very concerned about family, caring about that,
Yes,
right, and ensuring that everybody is okay.
yes.
That's quite amazing.
Huh.
All through.
All through. And one before at night, this happened in the morning, I said, you have to arrange for the, what is it called? That car which, you apply for taking the body. He said, you have to arrange for that also. I said, why should we do it now? We are here, I am here. So so don't worry. I said, you don't stop worrying. Don't. Then he was holding my hand and snake and all that. I said, just go on doing your prayer. You go on doing prayer. I am also doing my prayer. You also do your prayer. So everything will be. So he was talking and all that, at night, all these things. Then at night, nurse was there. So she had to give him, he used to call by name to that nurse name. He said when he needed a bedpan needed. So she will be fine with her. So then I'll also wake. I will say, please get up and give this thing to Papa. So then, so sometimes it happens, when your urine is being passed, some drops will fall on the bed, it can be. So once this was done, then it happened, a few drops were, on them. So I told the nurse, I said, change the bedsheet. Change the bedsheet, so both of us together.
Lifted him.
So
And he
it was
couldn't
roll.
walk at that
It
time.
was roll. No.
He couldn't
I
walk
said,
at that time.
No. He was exhausted, sort of, So I said, yeah. So he said, now I want to sleep. I said, yes. I said, I'm just going to just change it little. Then I, rolled him one side, and then on that side we changed the bedsheet, removed the bedsheet and put the new one. On this side also the same thing we do, both of us, we did. And
Oh, Sangeeta,
Then I said, okay, change my pajama. Yeah, so pajama take it. Change karke, everything clean karke, ye karke, and then he went off to sleep at night.
Sangeeta, oi.
तो अपने कपड़े नहीं पहने.
Yeah.
So then everything was clean and all, and he went to sleep all night. But I couldn't. After that, I couldn't sleep. I was also walking around and feeling I couldn't sleep because when लगता था every time I have to see whether is he okay, keep it. So this is how the things are.
Yeah.
And I was remembering the time.
But but what was your feeling when he actually passed away? How did you feel?
That was the most painful. That was the most painful thing. As long as he's there, so I was. As soon as he's gone, suddenly what do you feel? It's difficult. It was difficult. It was very difficult. But I said I should not get very this thing at this time. If I start feeling this way, अभी बच्चे भी आ जाएंगे, baby will come, Neeta will come, and Neeta तो already is on her way back again. So this is